So how can you use the iPhone camera to identify objects? So let me show you the options that we have available. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So I would personally just download the Google app from the App Store, right? So you'll literally look up Google. It's not the Google Chrome, it's just, the G icon, which you can get inside, and you have like the search available and whatever. But you can see that you can tap on the camera right here, which is the lens. And right now I can capture a photo of literally anything, and it will try to like look it up and tell me what exactly that is, right? So it's getting a very good job. Like it can identify the objects very well, and it just looks them up through the Google, right? So I can use the camera and capture the thing and see exactly what it is. However, I can also upload the pictures from the gallery, right? So I can click on the button to access my photos and upload something which I want to look up. It's important to, of course, select the subject so the proper one gets searched after. But yeah, that is the feature which you most likely are interested in. And it's obviously using the iPhone camera lenses, but we need to use the Google search app to get the job done. Right, so that is how I like to do it. Let me know if you managed to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for the next upcoming tutorials and videos like this, and I'll see you later. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.